Can digital assets be part of an estate plan? Attorney Stephen Spiewak says, the biggest issue with digital assets as far as estate planning is concerned, there are hardly any laws to govern digital assets. If you have stocks, bonds, real estate, and your 401k, those are hard, tangible assets that you can put your arms around and for which there have been laws for hundreds of years as how to plan for those kinds of assets if you die or become incapacitated. And to a large degree, those rules have not only been in place for a long time, but also they haven't changed. The issue with estate planning for digital assets is that nobody knows what the rules are. For the most part, the rules are whatever is in those terms of agreement for which you check the box but never read, every time you want access to electronically stored or transmitted material. And this issue is magnified because people do almost everything digitally today. It's all of the social stuff like Facebook and Google and Twitter and Instagram and your personal websites, but it goes far beyond that. Also, many people who are in business offer and sell products or services online, and they're taking credit cards online for those products and services. And the biggest issue that we see is that regardless of what the rules are, if you die tomorrow and you haven't shared with anybody else what all of your accounts and passwords are, there's nobody who is going to be able to find those accounts and do with them what you want or leave them to whom you want. So if a person, for example, dies and has all of his financial assets in online accounts and hasn't shared the accounts, usernames, and passwords with anyone, no one, including his family, may be able to find those assets. It's that kind of thing that makes it so important that if something happens to you, someone will be able to access your accounts even if the rules governing your accounts are very restrictive. A lot of terms of service agreements provide that nobody else has permission to access your account if you die. Some of the terms of service agreements provide that when you'll die, your account dies. But at least if someone knows where that account is, they are way ahead of the game. Probably several years from now, there are going to be devices and technology that we have no clue about today, but which will then be mainstream technology that we are using every day. The technology is traveling at the speed of light, but the laws governing technology will likely continue to move at a snail's pace. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Stephen Spiewak in St. Louis, Missouri at 314-492-6611 or visit his website at www.estateplanmo.com.